I had a resident call, said that they had water leaking through their ceiling. I took my infrared camera over there. Yep, there's a leak for sure. You can tell the difference of temperature there. So I asked, hey, have you been using your dryer since there's no plumbing right here in this spot? I cut the dryer on and went outside and listened real good. You can hear the water in the pipes as the air is going over it. Alright, so I have about a 32-foot run in the dryer line. I put 30 foot together. We're going to run it through there, try to get all that water out first, and then clean it from the inside. So when you're running it, always run it clockwise. Watch all this water, guys. You can see when I pulled it out, I did this like 5 times. When I pulled it out, it got caught on my drill in just a second. Right there. And I messed that one up. Just throw it away, buy you some more. That's going to happen sometimes. Alright, so I'm going to pull the inside apart, start cleaning it out. I was expecting to have some water in this, honestly. And surprisingly, it's just a bunch of lint. No water. But I like to clean the dryer and the line out and then start running it up, and you'll see there was quite a bit of lint in this one. Alright, so I removed all the wet sheetrock. We're going to look in there and I'm going to show you what was leaking. Alright, so you can see where it's leaking at the bottom left. I'm going to dry it from the inside and the outside. Once it's dry, I'm going to put maybe some Flex Seal on it, some silicone, maybe even some more tape. Hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Please hit the like and subscribe. Take it easy and God bless.